Hello everyone. With you, Krivulya Andrew Charly. This is episode 7 for Samir Mir Commander Character Hairstyle series, and in it I continue to work with the guides. Just a reminder that you can become a channel sponsor and get a voiceover in another language, a collection of my references and a 100 discount on all my assets. Just click the join button to do it. Also, if this is your first time on this channel, and you want to know what it's about, as well as support me, watch the channel's trailer and read all the information in the attached commentary. And please, don't forget to like and subscribe. I would be very grateful for that. Now, let's go to watch this episode. Okay, in last episode, I stopped to work with this part, and you asked me not to cut anything out, so I'm leaving it as I recorded it. At the moment, I'm analyzing the guides I've already got and thinking about what to do next. Here, I noticed that there is hair sticking out at the top of the back of the head, and I want to fix it. Next, as usual, I select two groups of guides, invert the selection and start working with them. As a reminder, I recorded this video when Hide Unselected was not available, so in the new versions, you can use it without inverting. That is, if you install the new version, it's very simple there. So in Edit Guides, in Root mode, we can select the guides we want. And then, to isolate them, just click on the Hide Non-Selected button. As a result, when we click on it, we isolate the necessary guides. Okay. I think this point is clear to you now, and I'm going back to editing the hair. If you notice, I make each lower guide a little bit longer than the upper one, so that the hair goes in layers, and it adds realism. I work with the guides in pairs. When I finish the work, I hide them and move on to the next pair. Here, you can see how I add an extra guide with the plant tool, as I try to keep an even distribution. Here, I decided to remove this guide, which is not properly positioned, and use the form of the previous one. Okay, this group is done. I can show all the guides and get to work with the next group. To do this, I select this group and the next group below it. And I start working with the bottom group. So, this group of guides is ready. Now I analyze what I get and work further. I noticed here that one guide has a different group, so I'm correcting that point. In the end, now the whole row is selected correctly. Now we can continue to work with these guides. If you liked this video, don't forget to write about it in the comments, put a like and subscribe to the channel. To be continued. See you soon. Peace, everybody. If this is your first time on this channel, then here, you can learn all the tricks and secrets of 3D grooming in Ornatrix. Also, get your questions answered and get inspired by references from the games. Subscribe and write in the comments how long you do 3D and why you chose this field. What influenced this? If you like what I do, I would be very grateful for any donation to Donatello at the link in the description and channel header, buying my models on CG Trader or ArtStation, as well as the purchase of any of the plugins at the links in the attached commentary. What's in it for you? It's very simple. If enough money is collected per month, I will be able to devote my full time to creating lessons for you, not 3 hours a day. Which, as you have already noticed, not enough for the fast release of new episodes. Also, don't forget to check out the YouTube community, as I share there all kinds of news, uploading answers to questions, talking about the time spent on lessons, and so on. And, of course, don't forget about my Instagram, where I upload all my work and work in progress.